Hi, I'm Keith, a technician of 11 years with USACLEAN, and this beauty is an X20B 20-inch auto scrubber. In this series, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that you can do yourself to minimize the cost and the need for a service technician. Okay, so say your solution filter is damaged or broke. Here's how you're going to replace it. First, drop your squeegee, tilt your machine up. That just gives you better access to your solution filter. Remove your squeegee hose, set it off over here to the side and out of your way. Okay, so now locate the hose clamp on your solution filter and go ahead and remove that. Then what you're going to need to do is that's going to free the filter. You can either take off this side of the hose or this side of the hose. It doesn't matter, either one is fine. Now these hoses are really tight on these barbs. Now you may have a little water residue in there, that's fine. Trick to getting the hoses off is taking it and twisting it. Okay, say you're having solution flow issues. Now the first thing you want to check is your solution screen. What you want to do is unscrew the filter bowl. Set that off to the side. Take your screen out. Now that's a mesh screen, and sometimes that gets clogged with debris or soap scum. You take that off and you clean that, rinse that really well, put it back together, and 9 times out of 10 that's going to clean up your issue. Now what you want to do to replace the whole solution filter is, now that we have it removed from the machine, we're going to take these brass barbs out of your solution filter on each side, because you're going to need to reinstall them on the new solution filter. Okay, to remove these barbs from your solution filter, you're going to need a 17mm wrench. So hold your filter bowl tight, take your wrench, and just loosen the barbs. And you can get them loose enough to get them out with your hand. Now, when you replace your barbs on your new filter, add extra Teflon tape just in case for leaks. So this was a brand new solution filter, so of course we didn't need to replace it. So we just went ahead and reinstalled it onto the machine. So first, we put the barbs back on the new solution filter. We attached the hoses. It doesn't matter which hose that you want to attach first. And now we're tightening back down our hose clamp to keep the solution filter to the machine. And that's how you replace your solution filter. Once again, my name is Keith. For all parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.